Hey, Troy here, and in this short video, I want to let you know that predictable profits are real. You just have to have the right system. You have to know how to promote that system and how to be able to generate traffic, leads, and make sales 99% using automation. So, I encourage you to watch this video through to the end. The page that you're looking at right now, I just want to share this with you. This is converting for me at 55.6%. 55.6%. I've covered up personal information of these individuals, but take a look at this. Joined, prospect, prospect, prospect. Joined, right? And this is all from just 117 total leads. Total members, these are not all paid members, but many of them, as I'm sharing with you, are. And let me share with you what this system is all about. So what I'm sharing with you today is a brand new program. This thing is just a few months old, known as Simple Commissions, and the product is Mailbot. And what I love about this is that it gives you a huge advantage. And here's what I mean by that. A lot of you have home businesses that you're promoting. I see you all day long on social media trying to get people interested in looking at your health and wellness program, your insurance deal, your energy deal. And the truth is that a lot of people are missing out because you're leading with your business. And if you have people, which 90% of you, the people that you're connected to, they already have home businesses, guess what? They're probably not looking to join another business, right? They want to generate traffic, they want to get leads, they want to make sales in what it is that they're already doing. So what I'm doing is I'm teaching people how to lead with Mailbot. I've already made, I'm closing in rather on about $3,000 in commissions from Mailbot. But I also am promoting a few different programs using this. So it's an indirect way to get more eyes on whatever it is that you're currently involved in. And that's paid me an additional few $1,000s in my current programs. Now, income disclaimer. There are no guarantees of earnings. Your earnings are based on your activity. But wouldn't you agree that if you're bumping your head up against a wall, you're not making sales consistently? Wouldn't it mean that you probably need to change the way that you're marketing it? So, as it says on this screen, this AI email assistant pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers, automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts, all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. So what you're going to do is you're going to get access to this 3-minute video overview. You're going to watch this, right? I just showed you 56% conversions. And when you scroll this page, you're going to see all the things that Simple Commissions and Mailbot can do for you. But most importantly, you're going to want to click this button so that you can get a free demo and see how Mailbot actually works. Look, the very first time I saw this, I wanted to make sure that it worked. And every single email that I sent to my sponsor's Mailbot ended up in my inbox or in my promotions tab. Not one single email went to spam. So that's very, very important. If you are watching this video on YouTube, you can go to the description, get instructions in the description on how you can get access to get your free demo. If you're getting this from an email that I sent, then go to the bottom of that email right now so that you can click on that link and get access to this page, or you can just send an email. I'm going to give you instructions in the email on how to do that. And there really are no excuses. Look, you either want to win or you don't. You know, predictable profits are real when you have the right vehicle. And I'm talking about marketing. If you got some value from this video, shoot me over a like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, or you can respond to the email. With that being said, thanks so much for watching. Once again, it's Troy, and I look forward to working with many of you. Take care.